What if your robot vacuum could actually swap its own mop pads depending on the room it's cleaning? The new MOVA MOBIUS 60 does exactly that. With 30,000 PA suction power, automatically MopSwap technology, advanced obstacle recognition, and the ability to handle different floor types automatically. This might be one of the smartest robot vacuums of 2026. Let's check it out. And this is what it comes inside of the box. The manual, quick start guide, the mop pads, 6 extra mop pads, the power cord, extra filter, it comes with two floor cleaners, the robot vacuum, and the power station, and with the 2 buckets, one for the dirty water and one for the clean water. And this is everything that comes inside the box. Let's start with one of the headline features. The MOVA MOBIUS 60 delivers an impressive 30,000 PA suction power. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, food crumbs, dirt tracked in from outside, or pet hair, this robot is designed to handle it. And for homes with pets, MOVA also includes its Tangle-Free DuoBrush system. Instead of hair wrapping around the brush roll, the design helps reduce tangles and keep maintenance to a minimum. This is the feature that really separates the MOBIUS 60 from most robot vacuums. Instead of using the same mop throughout the entire house, the robot can automatically switch between different mop pads depending on the cleaning task. For example, Hyper Clean Mop for everyday cleaning, Plush Mop for delicate floors, Thermo Hold Mop for tougher messes. The robot returns to the dock, swaps the mop automatically, and continues cleaning without any manual intervention. That's something you normally don't see on traditional robot vacuum systems. Once the robot finishes mopping, the dock takes over. The station automatically washes the mop pads using high temperature water and then dries them afterward. This helps remove stubborn dirt and keeps the mop pads cleaner between cycles. It's one of those features that reduces maintenance and helps the robot stay ready for the next cleaning season. Navigation is another area where the MOBIUS 60 stands out. The system can recognize and avoid over 240 different household obstacle types. That includes things like shoes, charging cables, toys, pet balls, small objects in the floor. Instead of constantly bumping into things, the robot intelligently navigates around them while continuing its cleaning route. Another clever feature is the expandable radar system. When cleaning around furniture, the radar can extend outward to help the robot better navigate under and around low clearance areas. Combined with the MOVA's edge cleaning technology, this robot can reach closer to the walls, corners, cabinets, and furniture edges where dirt tends to accumulate. Most robot vacuums struggle with thresholds between rooms. The MOVA MOBIUS 60 uses a StepMaster 2.0 technology that allows it to climb a single obstacle up to 5 centimeters high and handle combined thresholds up to 8 centimeters. That means transitions between rooms, raised thresholds, and other common household obstacles are much less likely to stop the robot from completing its cleaning route. The dock is what ties everything together. It automatically handles dust bin emptying, water refilling, mop washing, mop drying, charging, mop swapping. The goal is simple: less maintenance and more hands-free cleaning. After looking at everything the MOVA MOBIUS 60 offers, what stands out most is how much automation has been packed into one system. The MopSwap technology is definitely the star of the show because it allows the robot to adapt to different floor types automatically. Then you add the powerful 30,000 PA suction, Tangle-Free DuoBrush for pet hair, recognition over 240 obstacles, extendable radar for furniture cleaner, a StepMaster 2.0 climbing capacity, and fully automated dock. The result is a robot vacuum that's designed to require very little attention from the user while still delivering a thorough clean across carpet, hardwood, and tile floors. If you're looking for a premium robot vacuum that can truly handle both vacuuming and mopping with a high level of automation, the MOVA MOBIUS 60 is definitely worth checking out. If you want to learn more about the MOVA MOBIUS 60, I'll put the link in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.